We have the EMF detector, the digital recorder, big barn, second session.
And our psychic senses. There's going to probably be a lot of the noise you're hearing right now because it's the wind hitting up against the back of the barn because the barn doors are closed in the front. If the person who built this barn is on this land, can you come forth and tell us what your name is? Is there anybody here with us that would like to communicate? Is there anybody here with us that would like to communicate? If there is somebody here, can you throw something out or knock on the barn like that? Then we'll know that it's you and not the wind. We've gotten a lot of activity lately. A lot of people apparently like us and want to talk to us. You want to come out? Want to be my friend? Are you good people? Can you tell us where the two kitties went? Buttercup and Fluffy. They just disappeared and nobody knows what happened to them. Can you tell us where they're at?
I think one of the kitties might be answering you.
How funny.
Who is that?
I bet it's Buster. I bet it's Buster.
We're in here.
Kitty!
Kitty, we're in here.
Who's coming around?
You like ask about the kitties and a kitty shows up.
Buster. Buster, are we talking about your sisters?
Oh, that's Sylvester.
Oh, it's Sylvester.
Hi,
Well, Buster
Sylvester.
and Sylvester look a lot alike. Are we talking about your daughters? Hey, buddy. He's our little ghost hunt. He's our ghost. He's our ghost hunting cat. Him and Sylvester.
You mean
Fluffy
Buster?
and Buttercup used to be, but they're not anymore because we can't find them. They've disappeared.
Buster was in here the last time we did the session in here.
Yeah.
It was Buster.
Yeah, it was, wasn't it?
Yeah, I mean
Sylvester.
Sylvester. You keep calling him Buster, so I keep calling I'm
Well,
like.
he looks like Buster.
Hi, baby, because you're Buster's daddy. Because you're Buster's
Because
daddy.
Buster's gotten bigger, so unless they come right up, it's hard to tell. They look almost exactly alike. Hey, buddy. You gonna show us where the ghosts are?
Did you
Gonna
like
be our
this barn?
lookout?
You like this barn, huh?
You gonna be our lookout? Come here. Yeah, ours needs way well up better. Oh, those nails feel real good. Oh, those nails feel good. Yeah. Hey, buddy. Do you like cats? I sure hope you do. They're real friendly.
You want to come pick up Sylvester? Is this Bill? Which one to pet you?
I don't think he'd like that very much. What are you doing? Oh, ow, ow. You're supposed to be helping us find ghosts. Where are they?
Can you point them
Why aren't
out?
you petting me?
Can you point them out?
Show us where they are, buddy. So could you just love me, please? Is it true that animals and children have better senses as far as psychic and mediums than adults do? He's making me feel bad. Ouch. Ow, dude, that hurts.
He's like, I'm going to jack you up if you don't pet me.
He's very loving.
Put the EMF meter up here.
Okay.
Sylvester's going to guard it.
All right. I bet he doesn't. I bet he just wants to go wherever you're at. And that door is loud.
Oh.
Carrie is obviously having mental difficulties.
So we've got the sound of a little girl a couple of times. Little girl, are you here? Little girl, are you allowed to come back in the barn? Can you come back here?
Okay, so we're gonna try to go down the path and see if we can catch anything, because we've not done that yet.
And we're gonna take a little walk. You want to take a walk with us?
We're gonna bring the kitty with us. There he goes.
I don't think we're bringing him. I think he's.
Well, he goes wherever we go.
Oh, we go for a walk now? I said, want to go for a walk? Come on. Let's go.
Come catch some ticks and ghosts with us. Oh, it's windy. Okay, change of plan since it's so windy. We're gonna go ahead and go to the pig barn. Well, the pig and cow barn. Everywhere we go, doesn't matter where we go, we've always got a kitty that follows us. I think it's cute. Okay, there's a chicken coop. We see the chickens.
Just want to make sure we tag the chickens too, so we know that there's little clucky chickens.
You see the little, sounded like you said little fucking chickens.
The
Little clucky chickens. See all their chickens.
You clucking chickens.
You clucking chickens. Chicken cluck.
Clucking chickens.
Holy clucking chicken.
Look, Sylvester. He's like, I'm gonna find a way in.
Sylvester, you be nice to them. Oh, that's gonna hurt their feet.
Don't scrape your feet on a can.
Can you reach your little tiny hand through there?
No, not that small.
Oh, duh. Sorry.
What?
All right. Well, I can't see them for all the grass. There's all the chickens.
You want to eat the chicken?
All right. We should probably go and tag the pig. And also because I just want to look at her, see how she's doing. Because I love that pig. And it will eat a person, not even kidding.
I'm trying to eat my thigh. Hi, Cece. What are you doing? I don't have anything for you.
Hold on, I gotta shut this bottom one.
Hello.
Come on, Sylvester. Alright, go ahead and walk through here because that's the only way we're going to be able to tag the pig because you can't see anything in here.
Hold on. Tag Cece too and milk chocolate. Chocolate milk.
We're going to have to walk out there.
Oh, we can just open the thing.
Oh.
Just
Oh!
open the door
Duh.
over there.
Okay, there's Cece. Big ol' Cece. Hi, baby.
Hi, baby.
You going to lift the camera? Look at that big old nose. Alright, Cece.
So there are two.
Hold on, let me tag chocolate milk.
There's two cows.
Watch
back
out.
Here.
Cece, you can't eat the camera.
So we gotta rule out any mooing or
Cece.
piggy snort. Hi, honey.
What? She is seriously interested.
Hi, honey.
I can't get chocolate milk because of her big old face. Oh, chocolate milk's right behind her. Alright, you want to see it? Can't lick it though.
You smell like corn. Why you smell like corn lately?
Because she eats corn, silly.
There you go. You go take a bath in the pond. Oh.
Okay, I hope you like animals if you're here. Obviously you do if you're here because this is where the cows are and the pig. She's a drool. I wouldn't let her lick my face. I love her, but not that much. Okay, I have this EMF detector. If you'd like to let us know that we're here.
Can you see in here with that?
Hmm?
Oh, baby, I'm going to check that pig.
We need to remember to shut that too, because she can break that bottom door.
Oh, can she?
Fuck yeah, she can.
Okay, we're going to have to poke your head out.
Oh, that pig's gonna be mad we didn't bring her food.
Maybe we don't have nothing for you. Just... Oh, my Lord.
Watch out. There's the pig trying to kill the door because she's hungry. You've got food in there, Cece. I mean, Copper. Stop yelling at me. Copper! Oh, she's mad. There's her little nose. I'll bring you food later. Okay. Over there are the cows. There's Copper. So, you know what that sound is. Okay, go ahead and shut this door.
Okay. We'll come by later.
She's mad.
You're just off. I'm sorry, baby. Little girl, if you're out here, do you want to come in and say hi to the cow?
That doesn't make it hard to concentrate.
Oh, are you itchy?
She's itchy, yeah. Scratch her after.
Did you used to be a farmer out here? Did you have cows yourself?
Come on in and talk to us.
You can come on in and talk to us. Did you used to live here? And farm this property?
There's a different kitty, but I don't know which one exactly. I think it might be TJ. Or, I'm not sure. Can you give us a sign to let us know that you're here?
Whoever's here on this property, can you tell us your name? Please? We'll keep asking, but we haven't heard you yet. I'm Carrie, that's Mona. Who else lives out here?
That's the cow.
Who else lives out here? We've been trying to tell you too that if you're having any issues with somebody on this property, you can let us know and we can help you out. You guys,
You gotta reach over. Sorry, I locked it just in case Cece tried to come through. Somebody left this top open, so I'm just gonna leave it. Yeah, just leave it open.
well, we're out here, it's daylight. We try to have a conversation with you. We know somebody's trying to communicate with us, but we don't know who. And we don't know what the message is that you're trying to give us. So we're out here again, seeing if you wanted to try to speak again and communicate with us. Is your spirit free? Is your spirit free? With your energy, like What can you do with your energy? Are you happy? Are you sad? Do you have a purpose? If you have a mission here, then when you fulfill it, does that mean you get to leave?
Is there a such thing as purgatory?
Do you want to leave?
All right, let's head towards the house because I really have to go to the bathroom and I got ticks. I can feel them everywhere.
Okay,
I can't do anything about it because I'm holding this camera.
Mona's got a potty, so we're gonna go. But we'll try and talk to you again later.
Have a good
I
day.
hope you tried to talk to us.
In session.